How to fix WhatsApp call not ringing on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and then tap on the notifications option. Further, select the WhatsApp option you see there and toggle on the toggle button for allow notifications. Also, go ahead and enable the options for lock screen, notification center, and banners, and also make sure sounds is enabled. Now, go back to settings and then tap on the focus option you see there and then tap on do not disturb mode and make sure any type of focus modes are not enabled, as focus modes can silence WhatsApp calls. Next, in settings again tap on general and then on background app refresh. Now, tap on background app refresh again and set it to on. Further, go back and enable the toggle button for WhatsApp. Now, go back to your home screen and then tap on the App Store option and further tap on the search bar and search for WhatsApp and make sure the WhatsApp application is updated to its latest version, and if not, then update it, as outdated versions may cause call notification bugs. Next, make sure that your iPhone is not in silent mode, as the call may only vibrate, so toggle the ring or silent switch on the left side of your iPhone and enable the ringer mode. Also, make sure that you are connected to a proper working internet connection, and if not, then switch between Wi-Fi and cellular data, as WhatsApp calls require a stable connection. You can also try enabling airplane mode and then disabling it again to refresh your network connection. So, these were a few fixes on how you can fix call not ringing on WhatsApp on your iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.